as the board chairman, on behalf of our entire team, to express our deepest appreciation for your presence here today. To God be the glory. First and foremost, I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to the community for bearing with us during the construction phase and now entrusting us with your healthcare needs. It is an honor and privilege to serve you, and we are forever indebted to you. The mission of St. Michael's Specialist Hospital is to provide first-class, personalized, and timely healthcare that is client-centered in a comfortable and luxurious environment, and our vision is to be the preferred health service provider in Ghana and West Africa through the provision of excellent and patient-centered care whilst exuding true comfort. We have invested in a state-of-the-art technology, cutting-edge medical equipment, and a team of highly skilled professionals who are at the forefront of their respective fields. Our goal is to provide comprehensive, specialist patient-centered care that is both accessible and, importantly, affordable. But let us not forget that a hospital is not just about medical service it provides. It's about creating an environment that promotes healing, comfort, and trust. From the moment you step through our doors, you will be greeted by a warm and welcoming atmosphere filled with compassion and empathy. I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to His Excellency, Mr. President, for creating an enabling atmosphere that made the execution of this project a success. Indeed, we could not have come this far without your administration fair assistance to Ghanaian businesses. We are tremendously grateful, Mr. President. As a testimony to St. Michael's Specialist Hospitals, will at full capacity be home of over 600 Ghanaian staff, ranging from housekeepers to administrators to nurses and as well as medical doctors. With your permission, Mr. President, I would like to express my gratitude to Dr. Omane Boma, a former Minister for Communication, to Mr. and Mrs. Gabi-Ochridakon, to Mr. Peter Amenyo of Apconis, the Chief Architect. We say thank you. What can I say about AMPC International Health Consultant from Holland? From Dr. Lillian, to Mr. Ayan, to Mr. Samuel, all I can say is God bless you. To our partners and stakeholders and all those who have supported us throughout the end of this endeavor, we say thank you. Finally, from the bottom of my heart, I would like to thank my parents, Mr. and Mrs. Bonahene, Mr. and Mrs. Akoto, and for this one I have to say it, Papa Yamin Shao. Anytime Bia Mekasi Papa mi watch me, Obekasi Bonahene, Frekwama say, do here be odd bema, ta, Yamin Shao. To Mr. and Mrs. Osei, my in-law, Mr. and Mrs. Asmani, for your support, Mr. and Mrs. Dodd, my Honorable MP, Honorable Patrick Boma. All I can say is thank you for your prayers and encouragement and understanding whilst we embark on this journey. None of this would have been possible without you. Our hospital is not just a facility, it's a beacon of hope, a sanctuary for healing, and a testament to the power of human resilience. From today onwards, this hospital does not belong to anyone. It belongs to the people of Ghana and West Africa. Welcome to St. Michael's Specialist Hospital, where you find exceptional care, exceptional comfort, every patient, every day. Thank you.
We're doing this Amen. Amen.
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe,
and click on the bell for more updates.